On October 1st, 1960, a nation was born. Nigeria, a land of diversity, rich culture, and resilient people. From the north to the south, east to the west, we stand as one. We're a nation built on unity, strengthened by our differences. Our heritage is colorful, and our spirit remains strong.
What year did Nigeria gain independence?
October 5th, 1960.
How old is Nigeria today?
65.
Please name some Nigerian heroes that you know of.
Nnamdi Azikiwe, Muritala Muhammad, Obafemi Awolowo.
What makes up the Nigerian coat of arms?
The eagle.
Okay.
The river Niger, River Benue.
The two white oxes.
Mention one thing you like about Nigeria.
Nigeria food.
Nigerian food? Really?
Yes.
Okay, so what Nigerian food do you like the most?
Yam and egg.
Yam and egg.
Yes.
Which other one?
Amala.
Which other one?
Yes.
How many states do we have in Nigeria?
We have 36 states in
So,
Nigeria.
can you give us 5 of them and their capitals?
Okay. Abia, Umaya, Adaoma, Yola, Akwa Ibom, Uyo, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Yenegua, Benoma, Makurdi.
How many colors do we have in the Nigerian flag?
We have two.
Mention them.
Green and white.
What's the title of the Nigerian anthem?
Nigeria, we hail thee.
What is the name of the current Nigerian president?
His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to you, Nigeria.
Happy Independence Day to you all.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Nàìjíríà yìí tí gbogbo wa ní kó má gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́ torí kò sí ibòmíràn tí a lè lọ.